This is a new beginning.
There we go.
Thousands of trees being planted on land near Carnation in East King County.
This is Grandford.
A new beginning
15.
that anticipates a changing Washington.
Cool, that's white pine.
This land is owned by Seattle City Light and was logged before they bought it. Now, the utility is trying something new.
It's both a restoration project and an experiment.
They're planting trees not just from western Washington, but some sourced from Oregon and northern California. Trees more adapted to hotter, drier conditions. They think that's what Washington will look like by the time these trees grow up.
The climate will change, and so we're looking at ways to adapt. Good old western reds.
Evan Ramasco Kelly is getting baseline data on the young trees
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, perfect.
to study how they do over time.
24.
24. We're looking forward and seeing as the climate changes in the Northwest, which it will, what trees and what climates will it most resemble, and how does that affect our restoration work, and how does that affect the forest that'll be here in the future?
Trying to ensure that this forest is less vulnerable to the impacts of climate change.
Rhonda Strow with City Light says the reforestation sequesters carbon, helps wildlife, and cleans up nearby streams. But the diversity they create here will hopefully make it healthier, too. It just takes a few decades to know.
It is changing, so we need to create more resilience in our forest, and hopefully that helps it survive into the future.
Any damage on the leader or anything?
So in the meantime, they catalog what's here.
So this kind of orangey color here, this kind of dusty color, we're just marking to see within what category of vigor, so how green the tree is when it first gets planted here.
Ready to see what thrives and what doesn't in changing times.
Learning to adapt is a big part of it.
Michael Crow, King 5 News.